introduced Affordable Housing Bill 2023 suffered a second blow after the High Court in Vihiga declined to vacate conservatory orders issued by the Kisumu High Court, stopping the planned public participation. President William Ruto's administration has until January 10th to continue implementing the housing tax, which was declared unconstitutional by a three-judge bench of the High Court in Nairobi. Seth Olale with the latest update on the legal battle of the housing levy.
With less than a fortnight remaining before President William Ruto's administration ceases collecting the housing levy as directed by the High Court, an attempt to counter the court's ruling through the introduction of the Affordable Housing Bill 2023 has similarly been dealt another blow in the corridors of justice. Justice Jacqueline Kamau of the Vihiga High Court on Wednesday declined to vacate the orders initially issued by the Kisumu High Court, stopping the planned public participation, and instead asked the parties to make submissions for the hearing on January 17, 2024, 7 days after the implementation deadline set for the housing tax. The National Assembly, through its lawyer Geoffrey Sore, had filed an application and a notice of motion under a certificate of urgency to vacate the orders before the hearing of the case scheduled next month. However, the application was certified as not urgent.
Honourable members, I beg to propose the question.
The National Assembly had set Thursday, December 28, 2023 as the deadline to receive memoranda on the Affordable Housing Bill 2023, whose revised edition was tabled by the National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah on December 7, 2023. An attempt by the Attorney General and Ministry of Lands through their legal counsels Lawson Ondieki and Kiragu Kimani respectively to have the court admit application of grounds for opposing the conservatory orders on the Affordable Housing Bill 2023 public participation also suffered a setback after the respondents were instead instructed to file a replying affidavit to the petitioners. An appeal filed by Busia Senator Okia Omtata against the stay accorded by the High Court on the tax has already been certified urgent. A Kisumu-based lobby, Grassroots Trust, through lawyer Paul Ogendi, opposed lifting of the orders, arguing that the National Assembly failed to give adequate time and ensure effective public participation on the Affordable Housing Bill 2023. The bill, which already went through the first reading, seeks to establish a board to manage the housing fund. It has retained the 1.5% deductions from employees and employers. On Thursday, a section of Jua Kali workers under the Jua Kali Contractors Federation of Kenya protested against the High Court's decision stopping the implementation of the housing levy, which they argue was their only source of income through construction of affordable housing. Seth Olale, Citizen TV.